What's up guys, I'm your host Alvin Pacheco and welcome to Pinoy Rig Enthusiasts, where we will give you some awesome reviews, insights, and unboxing videos. Today we are going to take a look at the Transcend StoreJet 25M3 external hard drive. The Transcend StoreJet 25M3 external hard drive is a 2.5-inch HDD inside a durable anti-shock rubber case which has a military-grade shock resistance. This product is also available in 500GB and 2TB variants, but what we have right now is the 1TB drive. It also comes in two colors, military green and iron gray. This product also comes with a 3-year limited warranty from Transcend. For the dimensions, we have 5.10 inches for the height, 3.24 in width, and 0.74 inches in depth. The weight of this product is 216 grams. Looking at the front, you can see the Transcend logo and its silicone case. Switch on to the upper right and you can see the One Touch Up button by Transcend. It's a very helpful tool. This feature lets you back up your files using their Transcend Elite software. Apart from that, in just one click, you can immediately encrypt and sync your files. Lastly, at the top, you can see a pattern design followed by the USB 3.0 micro B port. Now let's take a look on what items are included in this product once you buy it. Aside from the external hard drive itself, out of the box it comes with a USB 3.0 Type A to micro B cable, a product guide, and some product catalogs for their drives, dash cams, and body cams. Now taking a closer look in this drive, you can actually remove the silicone cover and unscrew the case to see what is inside. Taking it apart is easy, but the process will actually void your warranty. So after removing the silicone cover, the 3+ screws located at the back of the case can be easily unscrewed. Just pry it out with your nails or use a flathead screwdriver. Now what you see here is a WD Blue 1TB 2.5-inch hard drive. It's protected by another rubber case to ensure drop resistance. So let's see if it actually upholds the claim. Let's do a drop test. We drop the drive 3 times in each height. First is the 1 foot drop and the second is a 2 feet drop. These drop can simulate slips from your desk to the ground or accidentally dropping it from your pocket. At the end of the test, the drive still works without noticeable speed loss. Now let's proceed to benchmarking. For the temperature, using Crystal Disk Info, we got 32 degrees Celsius in idle and 42 degrees Celsius on max load. Using Crystal Disk Mark, we got a fair amount of speed on the sequential read and writes. While the 4K benchmark was quite good considering this is an external hard drive. Here's a comparison test from a 1TB WD Blue 3.5-inch SATA drive. Here's a transfer test from a hard drive to the StoreJet, and a transfer test from the StoreJet to itself. Overall, for an SRP of 3,000 pesos or $57, the Transcend StoreJet 25M3 is a great product if you are looking for a drive to store your most important files. Because of its 3-layer protection and 256-bit AES file encryption support, this product is good for businessmen, film editors, and any other professions out there that needs to store important or sensitive files in a drive. That ends our review for the Transcend StoreJet 25M3 1TB drive. If you like this video, give it a like, while if you don't, then give it a dislike. And if you have any comments or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. We also have the PayPal donate link at the video description. If you are done doing all of that, then thank you for watching and see you on the next episode.